All right, guys, so here we have it. This is the new AutoChimp Electronics multi-camera kit, which allows you to run additional cameras on the factory screen, plus operate the factory camera as well. Here you can see the customer's actually mounted it on the dash, but you can actually get it like this, or it does come like this, which is completely wireless and USB-C rechargeable. And what it does is it allows you to turn on the factory reverse camera on the car, even while driving anytime you want, but also add up to 3 additional cameras. So you can see here, if you had a camera on your caravan, trailer, or the front of the vehicle, you could actually put it to this port. Our module will take up to 4 cameras total, plus operate the original reverse camera, and you can switch between them like I'm doing here. Super quick, super simple. It doesn't interfere with your factory reverse camera, so that will still work like normal operations. It's completely plug and play, so will not void any of your warranty. The best part about it is it will actually override the factory reverse camera as well. So if you had a caravan or camper and you wanted to park it, you could hit camera 2 while you're parking and see behind you, whether that be your camper, trailer, inside the car, front vehicle, wherever that camera is. You can actually activate it, turn it off, and it all works like normal. So super simple to install, guys. The kit is beautifully made. We designed this ourselves and manufacture it in Australia for you guys. It's going to come in a nice package like this. It does have a new app, which is basically a phone version of the remote control. Easy to pair via the QR code, and that will operate it as well, so you can control it from your phone. That was something we did recently as well. Super cool. Really easy to install. You actually don't have to do anything. This is how the kits are going to come. They're going to come in 2 parts, okay? It's going to have the main multi-camera module itself, which you can see here, beautifully boxed. But then it's going to come with the vehicle-specific plug-and-play wireless harness. Plug-and-play harness for the main module. And this is how it's going to come. We're going to show you on our YouTube channel how to connect these to your vehicle. It's really, really easy. Basically, it just plugs into the back of the system here and plugs into our module, and then you can run additional 3 cameras as well as that factory camera. I'm going to show you the kits quickly. This is how the kits come. You can pull them apart. They do come with a module here. The module, as mentioned just then, is plug and play, and you can run camera 2, 3, 4 here. And it does have the original ports here as well for camera 1 or the factory reverse camera. You don't have to worry about how to connect those, because our harness will do all that for you. There's no wiring necessary. You just plug it in. The best part about it, our new reverse cameras or parking cameras, they're completely plug and play. So you don't have to worry about wiring the cameras anymore. And I'll give you a good example of that. So here we have one of our new camera kits. These are how our camera kits are going to come now. This is the Pro series, so I'll quickly try and open it up and show you with one hand. Okay, here it is. So this is our reverse camera. Now I'm going to open it up and show you. Beautiful reverse cameras, by the way. We actually custom make these and design these as well. Completely IP67 waterproof rated, stainless steel screws. You can mount them any direction because we've made them with variable options here, so it can flip the image. Super cool camera. We've designed the harness from start to finish. So basically you can mount that anywhere on your vehicle. You can run the camera and it plugs directly into our multi-camera kit. So you can see here, if we had our multi-camera kit out, that would plug in directly there. And that will power the camera, so you don't actually have to do anything. So if you think about it, this is how it's going to operate. You're going to run and mount your camera somewhere on the vehicle, plug it into our module. Our module is going to plug into the stereo, and you're going to get this wireless control to activate all those cameras. As you can see here, we just tapped it, it turned on, put camera 1 on, camera 2, back to camera 1, back to camera 2, turn off camera 2. Really easy to use, guys. It comes paired. You don't have to pair the Bluetooth. We've done all that work. If you don't want to use one of our plug and play cameras, you can actually use your own camera. We have made an adapter harness that comes in the kit if you're wanting to use a camera you already have, and that's what this is here. I'll just open this up and show you as well, because this is going to come in the kit. It comes with one, but you can buy additional ones if you have multiple cameras. And what this does is plug into our module as well, and allows you to power your camera and run any video signal input. So you can run any cameras that you have through our module and it will operate it completely plug and play, so you no longer have to do any wiring. So I hope that's cool, guys. We've made it super simple. Our camera kits, as always, do come with extras such as conduit to protect the cables, cable ties. We also have a universal adapter in the camera kits now. So if you bought it and you're not interfacing with one of our multi-camera kits, you can actually use this and it will plug onto our cameras, and you can output that to any screen if you're using our cameras as well. So you're not locked into just using our products with our products, but using our products with our products is always easier.